Next, you can write few property values below. Come down. Write there list of property and values in table TR, TH and TD. List of property and value in table TR, TH and TD. What all we have, we can write a note here. First four we can write and then we'll implement. We can write one is called align property. Using align property, you can shift your table in the left side, you can shift in the right side, you can shift in the center. So it has three values: left, right, as well as center. Next property we have called border property. Using that we can apply the border. And next property we have called cell padding. Cell padding. What it do? It apply a space. It apply a space inside. It apply a space inside. It apply a space inside of TH and TD. It apply the space inside the TH and TD. Now using this three property, align, border as well as cell padding. Using these three property, we will create example. And we'll see what is the align, what is the border and what is the cell padding, where it comes. You will create a file table1.html. You will create a file table1.html. Table1.html file name. Table1.html. Not visible. Sit that side. You can, but if you off the light, I think it will not be visible. Okay, got it. Create the file table1.html. Go ahead. Table1.html file. You need to create and come in that file. Table1.html file. You will start from the HTML. You can create the example. Okay, developer guide I'll send you in the chat. WhatsApp group I'll send you developer guide. Table open to close. Open the body and close the body. Now write a table tag and close the table tag. This is the normal structure of table. Next, inside you will open the caption and close the caption. Under caption, you will write customer details. Customer details. Customer details. Now caption will be end there. After caption, TR will open. TR will open and TR will close. TR will open and TR will be closed. After this, under the TR, there will be two sub-elements. One is called TH. Right call customer name as a heading and write as a TD any name. Okay. So TD is going to represent the data and TH is going to represent the headline. One TR. That TR is end there. You will write the next TR. Okay, next TR. So TR wise. In one TR, one TH and TD. We can write multiple, but we are writing one. So full name will, customer name will print in one line. Next TH. Mobile number. You will follow the TD. Something. So two TR we added. Let's add one more TR. Third TR. TH. City. As a heading. Data. Using the TD. Try this 3TR. I'll give some space from top to bottom. So it will be clear where it's a start, where is the end. So hope writing completed. Run that. It will look like table, but it will not be well spacious. It will not be well optimized. It will look like congested something.
So we can create border also.
The border we can apply next. First, let's run it. Border we can apply, cell spacing we can apply, cell padding we can apply. 10 plus property we have. Using that, we can change complete look and feel of your table. It look like this, like a black and white. Okay. Now write next property, border. So border you will write for table. BORDER. Border equal to, let's keep 1. Okay. And keep align as a center. So CENTER. CENTER. Align equal to CENTER. Okay, center added. So it should come in the middle. It should come here in the middle. Next, you apply a property called cell padding. Cell padding will apply the space inside the TH and DD. Cell padding keep somewhere called 20. Very good space will get applied. Cell padding 20. Okay. Something like this. Space got applied. Okay, complete slowly. Once you are able to run the page, if your page is running, you can let me know. You can ping me in the chat, like working. We can move ahead. Few example. Space to given. Why do you need space? What is that table is open floor? That is okay. Yes, open floor. Just why number TR is not open? That is a problem. TR is also open. And TR should be closed here. We close it. Second TR is open and closed. Row wise, with the argument. From here to here. All are coming in one line. Still padding and writing out speed of table. Okay. 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 Your is running. Okay, so 5-6 people have replied saying like working. Okay, good then. Let's come. Now look at there. We have given the cell padding 20, increase to 30. Refresh the page. 20 you are given the cell padding, increase to 30, and then you will see your page will become little more spacious. Space got increased inside. Let me go again. I'll increase little more. See, 30 was there. Let me give it 50. Okay, 50. Refresh again. Increased. So where the cell padding apply the space? Assume this is the call Bangalore. The space will get applied surrounding Bangalore. This is called mobile number. space will get applied surrounding. How much? 50 pixel are given. So from this, Mr. Ganesh is written top, left, right, bottom. There will be a gap of 50 pixel. Okay. Here customer name is written top, left, right, bottom. There will be a gap of 50 pixel. Everywhere. Wherever the value you have surrounding, there will be a gap of 50 pixel. So cell padding we have written where it apply the space inside the TH and TD. Now let's do some more changes here. 30 you are given, let it be 30. Okay. Apply now one more property called cell spacing equal to give 10. Cell spacing equal to 10. Cell spacing equal to 10. Save now. Look at this. Between two cells, there is some gap. The gap is coming now. That is a spacing between two cells. And inside the cell, there is some space inside. That is called as a padding. Padding where? Inside. Spacing where? Outside. Okay. Let's come. Cell spacing keep 0. Then see what is happening. Cell spacing keep 0. Then see what will happen. You will see the single line border will come. Single line border is coming. Complete single line border. So table will be not very much attractive without properties. Okay. So border is saying like apply the lining. Align property says like where? Left, right, center, where? Cell padding says like inside the cell how much space? Correct? Cell spacing says like outside of the cell how much space? Okay. Now let's look into the next one. Next border you are given 1. Convert into 20. See what happened. Border 1 you have written. Change to 20. Spelling is BORDER. Spelling is BORDER. Border. $20. Inside border will not increase. Border will increase outside. Yes. Border will increase outside. Inside remain 1 pixel only. Inside will be only 1 pixel. Border will be remaining will go where? Outside. Okay. So hope clear. Which property? Cell spacing as well as cell padding. Cell spacing apply a space between two cells. Cell padding apply the space inside the cell. Okay. Border will give the lining. But always 1 pixel will be inside, more than that will be outside. To keep equal border, inside also, outside also, CSS will help us. To keep the equal border, like suppose you see here, outside border is 20 pixel, inside border is how much? 1 pixel. Right? To increase the border inside also and outside happen anyhow. To increase inside, CSS is required. Only HTML will not help us. Okay. Now go ahead. Customer details is coming very small font size, right? The headline of the table you can see how bigger it comes. Very small. We have gone through the tag called H1, H2, H3, right? But H1 you cannot write inside the table directly because under the table there is no any place of H1. H1 we can write inside the caption. Table will give the caption, table will give the TR, TR will give the TH and TD. So inside the table directly you cannot write the H1. If you write, it will go outside. Okay, so the caption can hold the H1 and H1 will close where? After the text, but under the caption only, not out of the caption. Now you see H1 will become big font size. H1 will become big font size. H1 will become big font size. Come next. Let us see how that look. Something like this. Come to again developer guide. So right, hope everyone have written. In developer guide now, you have implemented the align property, border property, cell padding property, as well as cell spacing property. Cell spacing property. What it do? It apply a space outside of TH and TD. It apply the space outside of TH and TD. You can write it apply the space outside of TH and TD. Next, after that, so those property we implemented under the table 1. Now let's write some more property related to BG color will help you to change the background of TH also, TD also, table also, TR also. Okay, next we have called width property. It will help you to change the width of table, width of width of TH and width of TD, not the width of TR, because TR is by default 100%. Okay. Next, after that, we have a property called height. Height property. So to implement this and all, you will create the next file, table2.html. Create next file, table2.html. BG color, width, and then height. Create the next file. Next file will be called Okay, so hope you created the table too. Table2.html. Again, we need to start from the HTML tag and we need to follow the body tag. Then we will write a table tag. And in the previous example, what are the property you follow? You follow the property called align. Let's keep here call center. Next property you follow called border. No problem, follow that also. Next, which property we follow? Cell padding. Let's follow that also. Next, which you follow? Cell spacing. Follow that also. 0. Okay. Then you will write the next property called width. Width. 70% of your screen. Don't let hide in the next example or maybe somewhere else. So let's write it here. Table open, table close. Caption tag also you add here. Inside the caption tag, write the H1 also. Write call customer list. Customer list. Customer list. Okay, open and close it. Now let's write a TR. TR. Follow the TH. Serial number. So in previous table, you have displayed one customer details. Previous table was for one customer. Now suppose we have 50 customer. So what will be the table structure? That structure will be something else. So serial number, next TH, full name, or maybe customer name. Okay, next TH, mobile number. Next TH, city. Next TH, age. Next is education. After this, run your page. You will feel your table is taking the nearly 70% of your screen. After writing, run it. The page should look like this. Page should look like this. Okay. Try कीजिए. One TR. Then we'll add the next TR with the data. So next TR will be, see, first TR you have added only heading. Only heading. Now how many customer you have, you keep adding the bottom. So usually what will happen in real, where you are going to work, the heading will be remain same. Maybe today you have 10 customer, the number of TR will get added below 10. Tomorrow you have 5 customer. So number of TR will get below, right? So the data will keep increasing and decreasing, but heading remain same. Sometimes you'll have one customer, sometimes no customer, but every time heading remain same. Okay. Through one heading, you will be representing the data of multiple users. So we can write next TD sequence. So first TH is serial number. Let's give 01. Second TH is customer name. Give any name. Second TH, third TH is mobile number. Write any mobile number. The fourth TH is representing the city, any city name. Fifth TH is for age, write something. Next is called as education. Hope working. This is the code. You want to see the bottom section or up section? Working is this much only. This is the table you have. Table open, close. One user is coming. One user come like this. We can add multiple users. 3, 4 user. Let's add it. And you can see this data is coming in the left side. That is the difference. TH by default it print in the middle, and TD will go in the left side. See, TH is in the middle, and this is the data is in the left side. So TH will come bold as well as center, and TD will come normal text as well as left. We have a line property for that. For complete TR level, on TR level you can write a line. Center. So all the TD will print in the center. It will not go here there. Everything will print in the center.
So we can create this as a user defined also. User defined.
Which user defined?
The table we are creating in HTML. We can create it as a user defined also.
Table. No, table we can't create. This is the predefined tag. User defined tag we can create after learning the XML. You will learn one side HTML, then you will learn the JavaScript, then before going to the React, we'll learn called XML. After learning the rule of XML and after learning JavaScript, we will combine together. Then it will become a JSX. JSX, JavaScript and XML. There we can create our own tag, whatever we want. In XML also we can create our own tag, but that will not be kind of, you cannot apply the CSS on that. But you can create your own tag and then you can apply the CSS everything in under the React. That is called a JSX. JSX, user defined tag.
JSON React.
Huh?
JSON React.
JSON. JSON is a part of JavaScript also, React also, everywhere. All the languages use the JSON except HTML and CSS. It's kind of a container where you keep the data. Okay. All are coming in the center. Okay, let's add some more here. Here, write the TD 02, next TD, some name, next TD, next TD, next TD, age, next TD, for this TR also you have to apply align equal to center. Align equal to center. Next, after that, let's check again. So look like this. Let's add 3, 4 user. Just number of columns should be, number of TD should be equal to number of TH. How many TH we have in the first row? That many TD you need to keep attending under each TR. So automatically it will keep adding in the new line. TR Align equal to center again. Follow the next TD. Zero 3. Next TD. Something Alex. Next TD. 33333. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. Something. So 3 users we added. Right? 3 users are added. This is called table. Now inside, border is coming. Somewhere 1 pixel, somewhere 2 pixels, single line, double line. Let it come. We have a property using that. We can change the color of border also. So till here we written. Working for all. Okay, now come up again in the table only. In table itself, add one more property called border color. Border color. COLOR together. Add any color. Red, green, any color. Border color. Add one more property called border color. Border color may not come highlighted, but no matter, it will work. Border color, BORDER COLOR. Border color, which color? Green. Anything is coming in the green color? Not able to identify. Some people will say green is not working, right? Let's put red color, then you'll come to know. Green is not look like green. Green, red apply the red. You will come to know red will deflect directly. Red is reflecting. Red will reflect. Border color equal to red. Border color equal to red. No, green is also working, but since 1 pixel border, it look like it is black. Okay, 1 pixel border look like it is black. If it is a more than 1 pixel, then it will work. It will show green.
So if you want to change the font color
Font color,
for caption.
code will become lengthy. We have a tag called font. Inside the H1, you have to open the font. There you have to write color equal to red. Okay, something like this. Suppose I went here. And okay, so let's do like this. Remove the H1 and keep as a font, because in font we have both options, size also and color also. Using font we can change the color and size both. So color equal to green and size equal to highest maximum font size is 7 from the HTML. So now what will happen? The color of customer list will be green color and the font size will be bigger than H1.
Difference between font and style.
Font and style. A style is no any tag. There is no any tag called style. H1.
No style.
A style tag we will use once HTML, then CSS, then we'll use. That will come in head section. A style we will not write in body section. Okay, a style you can write anywhere, but you have to write in their head, because a style will execute first. There you will write the CSS code. This is we are only playing around the HTML. We are understanding what can be done through HTML and what cannot be. Okay, then CSS will come. Then CSS will say, yes, this is all possible through the CSS. Then at that time, you will be able to differentiate, yes, this and all through can be done through CSS and this can be done through the HTML. If you both mix together and then learn, you cannot explain what can be done through HTML and what cannot be done through the HTML. Okay. So our formula is little different. First, understand the capability of HTML, till where and what it can. Okay, definitely you will say this is not happening, this is not happening, this is not happening. Then at that time, who will come? CSS will come. When we implement the CSS again, we will say, I want something like this. Correct? Then next technology will be ready for that. Okay. So step by step, learn one by one, understand the capability of one technology, and then which is not possible, next will help you, so that you will come to know this is possible through this technology and this is possible through this technology. That way. Reflecting in green color, something like this. Okay, customer list. Now we'll leave this file. We'll come to the next properties. Okay, so in this, what you follow? You follow called width property, right? You follow the width property, and then we saw another style of table. If you have single record, then you will follow the table one method. If you have multiple record, you will follow this method. You will follow second method if you have lot of record. Right? Come to developer guide. Height we have to use still. BG color we have not used. We will be using the BG color also. Add the next property. What is next property? Suppose in this page what we have created. Page we have created here. Assume two user is from Mumbai itself. Assume there will be two customer, both are from Mumbai. So what we will do? Will you display Mumbai 2 times or will display Mumbai only 1 time? Or assume all three customers belong to Bangalore. Then will you display the Bangalore 3 times? If you display the Bangalore 3 times, then record will be duplicate record. Table has given the feature for that. Instead of displaying the same record 3 times, display only 1 time, but it will represent all 3. Okay. So another option, like suppose you are adding the lot of record of the user. Assume one user has not given his this one, call it a city. and he has not entered his age. City and age both are missing for the user. So there is a two option. You can display the city column empty and the age column empty. And there is another option where city and age you can combine together, empty cell, and give to mobile number. Saying like remaining two are missing, so mobile number will cover remaining all. So that is called a call span and row span. Mostly you will see in your mark sheet. Okay, we see 10% here, 20% here, multiple row column will be combined, no? Remember? See this one. The row span, call span, image. Row span, call span, image. Go to here. This photo. Now, can you see this is covering how many rows? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Here is a 3 rows equal to this. This is covering the space. You can see here. This is covering again how many rows? Not 1, 2, 3, 4 rows here. This is covering the 4 rows. Which one? The first one. First block is covering 4 rows. This is covering 3 rows. Correct? And this is covering how many columns? 3 columns. This is column covering 2 columns. Complete implementation of row span and call span. Look into this photo. Subtitle is covering how many columns? 2. Here also subtitle is covering 2 columns. Title is covering how many columns? 4 columns. That is a call span. Call span property. Okay. Go to this. State of health. How many rows? 2 rows. 2 rows. First row and second row. Fasting value. How many columns? 2 columns. This is called row span and call span. Come to our developer guide. Right here, next property called call span. What it will do? It used to combine a space of two or more th comma td. If you want to combine the space of multiple th and td space together, then we can use this property called call span. Same way, you can write below next property called row span. Row span. What it do? It used to combine a space of two or more tr. Multiple tr space if you want to combine, then we can use the property called row span. Okay, come down. Create next file, table3.html. Table3.html. Let's write again table. HTML you need to start first. Use the body tag. Use table tag. Align equal to center. Cell padding equal to 10. Border equal to 1. Write a caption. Inquiry list. You can keep under the H1. Under the H1. Next, write a TR. Follow the TH. Serial number. Not serial number. First, write a location. Second, write serial number. Name, email, mobile. Name, mobile, you write, and service. Then call city. And then call date. Request date. Okay. Now location is only one and request date is also only one. But the customer is multiple. Location is only one, Bangalore. Request date is of today and the customer is 10 customer. For everyone request date is same. So let's first come to the TR level. Add first user. First user. Write the PD. Bangalore. Serial number 01. Name Ganesh. Mobile number, any number. Service, AC repair. So city why I have given? City is not required. Sorry, remove the city because location is same no for all. So you can remove the city. Request date you can keep today date 20 12 20 2020.
City को भी देगा year.
So Bangalore will go to the location. SL number will go to the 01. Name will go to the Ganesh. Or mobile will go to the mobile. Service will go to the AC repair. Request date is correct only. Correct. So it will come like this. It will come like this. For table, you can give some width. Give some width 60%, 70% nearly. Spacious table will come. Then for TR level, align will be required. Okay. For TR level, align property will be required. For TR level, align property will be required. Okay, so hope your page look like this. Something. Condition is location is same for all the customer. Request date is also same for all the customer. Okay. Right? Only the customer details are getting changed. So let's go. Add one more TR. So hope you have added the first TR. Add the second TR. Second TR is align center. Align center. TD will be same. Okay, hold on. TD you give as a 02. Then next TD you give call as a Mahesh. Mahesh. Next TD you give call as a some mobile number. Next you TD give call as a bike service. Don't write the date. Don't write the date. So we are messing with the two column, right? One is the first one and one is the last one. So write it first slowly. Write properly. See, half an hour before I given the task, person created and sent. That is called dedication. That is called as a dedication. Okay, let's check now. Written. It will look like incomplete. Incomplete. 02 will come here and something will go there. See, it look like missing in the last two. Missing the last two, no? Now let's go. For Bangalore TD, okay. For Bangalore TD, right or old one. Don't apply much complexity. Add one more TD in the last. Give today date only. 20/12/2022. Add one more TD in the last. Give today date. Add one more TD in the last. Give today date. Now, what will be missing? One column is missing. Since it is shifted forward, so one column is missing, right? Right, everyone, let me know. Then we'll do something for the Bangalore. Since both the user is from Bangalore only. Okay, date is also same. So we have written date, no problem. Now one is the Bangalore. So how to write the Bangalore in such a way where it should reflect for both the users, correct? So in the second row you saw Bangalore, we have not written. Bangalore only we have in the first row, correct? And you have written one line today, a row span used to combine the space of two or more rows, correct? That only we have written, no, row span. For Bangalore TD you write row span equal to 2. So it will take the place, it will take the space in the current row, and the same Bangalore TD will take the place in the next row also. So it will cover total 2 rows, current row as well as next row. Row span 2 you write. Row span 2. Row span 2. Added row span 2. Now hope your page look like this. Something like this. Try and check and let me know also. Your for the user number 1 and user number 2 location is same now. For user number 1 and user number 2, the location should be same now. Working for one person. So in the first row, you have written the Bangalore. Write there row span 2. In the second row, don't write Bangalore. Automatically, the first row Bangalore will take the place in the second row also. If you want this should cover in the 3 row, what we have to do? We can write row span 3. Let's change it. because for the third user is also from Bangalore only. We are going to add the third user that also from Bangalore. Come down. See in table, in entire HTML, okay, only one point is logical, that is called row span and col span. Remaining all are what you remember today, keep using full life, always same. Okay, row span, col span is a small logical point. So row span 3 are written, so it will take the place in how many rows? 3 rows. 2 you have written already, now write the third row. Third row. Go to the third row, don't write Bangalore, because already you have given the Bangalore in the beginning. Here again it will start from the 03 serial number. Already for the city location Bangalore is already given in the beginning. Write the next TD something. Write the mobile number again. 3333333333 and write the next one. Looking for job requirement. Need job. Need job. Next, after that, write the next TD. Same date. 20, 12, 22. You will see for 3 user, location is same. For 3 user, location will be same. For 3 user, location will be same. Here, location is same. Okay, in this TR, align property is missing. We can write align equal to center. Align equal to center added. Now condition in front of you, you have all inquiries are of the same date. All 3 inquiries is of same date. So do something where the same date should reflect for all 3 users. Anything your wish. Do something where same date should reflect for all 3 users. To display the same location, what we have made? You read the row span in the first row and remaining you have not written the date and Bangalore. Similar way in this condition also in first row you will write call row span 3 for TD, and in the second row and third row you will not have the date column. Delete that simple like this. I'll go to the first row and I will write call row span equal to 3. Row span 3 and delete the date column from the second row and delete the date column from the third row. Delete the date column from the second row and delete the date column from the third row. Happening? So let me show you. Should look like this. So this is called what? A row span. When we want to combine multiple rows space together, then we have to use the row span. But when we want to combine two column space together, we'll use the col span. Okay. So a small logical work, but nothing difficult. There is a very difficult assignments are kept, but after tomorrow class I'll give you. Tomorrow we'll create some example of row span and col span. 2-3 pages will create. Automatically we'll start speaking row span and col span. And then I'll show you where is the assignment. Or maybe I'll send you in the WhatsApp group. You can try that. Location is empty.
Sir, can you show the code again?
Delete the TD. Don't keep there TD. See, in the second row, we have total 4 TD. In the third row also, we have total how many? 4 TD.
Yes.
First TD and last TD is not there. If we leave the TD empty, then empty will come. So delete TD itself. And then in the first row, apply the row span and row span. So this will take the total 3 rows. This will also take total 3 rows. In that, one is the current row, second will be the second row, and third will be the third.
Yes, sir. I'll try once.
There is a visible, no? What will try in that? Code is in front of you 100%. You send your code in chat, I'll guide you. You are in laptop or mobile?
Laptop, sir.
Now copy this 3 line, 3 TR and paste in chat, I'll guide you what problem. This 3 TR code you copy and paste in chat. I will guide you what can be the problem. Row span equal to, you have written row span plus. For date, you have written row span plus, it should be row span equal to. And then many things are wrong in that line. See, code you have written here, there. These all are not, even syntax is also fully wrong. I will send you my TR, replace that. TR is open but not closed. Greater than is open but not closed. Okay, take this code. 3 TR. You got the TR? Okay, video I'll send you in the this one group. You can follow that.
Yes, sir.